In today's fast-paced world, stress has become an unwelcome companion for many. Its grip can tighten around our minds and bodies, leaving us feeling overwhelmed and depleted. But what if we told you that the key to unlocking profound stress relief lies within you, waiting to be accessed with a simple breath? Deep breathing, often overlooked in our daily hustle, offers a potent antidote to the draining effects of stress. Unlike shallow, rapid breaths that perpetuate tension, deep breathing triggers a cascade of physiological changes that soothe your nervous system and restore inner peace. It's a free, accessible, and remarkably effective tool that you can carry with you wherever you go. By consciously shifting from shallow, chest breathing to deep, diaphragmatic breaths, you tap into your body's innate ability to relax and rejuvenate. This natural stress management technique is not just a temporary fix. With consistent practice, deep breathing can rewire your brain to respond to stress more calmly and effectively. It empowers you to regain control amidst chaos, promoting a sense of groundedness and well-being that extends far beyond the act of breathing itself. To truly appreciate the transformative power of deep breathing, it's helpful to understand the intricate dance between our breath and our nervous system. This relationship is both fascinating and crucial for our overall well-being. Our nervous system is composed of two branches, the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. These two systems work in tandem to maintain balance within our bodies. Think of the sympathetic nervous system as your body's fight-or-flight response system, kicking into gear during stressful situations. It's like an internal alarm system that prepares you to face danger. When faced with a perceived threat, real or imagined, the sympathetic nervous system floods your body with adrenaline and cortisol, the stress hormones, increasing your heart rate, blood pressure, and respiration to prepare you for action. This response is vital in emergencies, but can be detrimental if constantly activated. While essential for survival, chronic activation of this stress response system can wreak havoc on our physical and mental health. Prolonged stress can lead to issues such as anxiety, depression, and even cardiovascular problems. Deep breathing, however, acts as a powerful counterbalance by activating the parasympathetic nervous system, sometimes referred to as the rest and digest system. This system promotes relaxation and recovery, helping to restore balance. As you inhale deeply, expanding your diaphragm and filling your lungs, you send a signal to your brain that it's safe to relax. This simple act of deep breathing can have profound effects on your body and mind. This, in turn, triggers a cascade of physiological changes. Your heart rate slows, blood pressure lowers, muscle tension eases, and your mind calms. These changes help to counteract the effects of stress. Deep breathing, in essence, flips the switch from a state of stress to a state of serenity. It's a natural and effective way to manage stress and promote overall health. It allows your body to shift from survival mode to a place of restoration and healing. By incorporating deep breathing into your daily routine, you can enhance your well-being and lead a more balanced life. While the concept of deep breathing is simple, mastering the technique takes a bit of practice. It's not just about breathing in and out, it's about doing so in a way that maximizes the benefits for your body and mind. One particularly effective method is the 4-7-8 breathing technique, developed by Dr. Andrew Weil, a renowned expert in integrative medicine. This technique is designed to help you relax and reduce stress quickly. This technique is like a mini vacation for your nervous system, effectively reducing stress and promoting a sense of calm in just a few minutes. It's a powerful tool you can use anytime, anywhere. Here's how it works. First, find a comfortable position. Sit upright with your shoulders relaxed or lie down on your back. The key is to be in a position where you can breathe deeply without any restrictions. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. This helps you feel the movement of your breath. Next, exhale completely. Close your eyes and gently exhale through your mouth, emptying your lungs as much as possible. Then, inhale slowly. Inhale quietly through your nose to a mental count of 4, feeling your abdomen rise as you fill your lungs with air. This deep inhalation helps oxygenate your body. Hold your breath for a count of 7, maintaining a sense of stillness. This pause allows the oxygen to circulate through your bloodstream. Finally, exhale slowly. Exhale completely through your mouth for a count of 8, noticing your abdomen fall as you release the breath. This long exhalation helps expel carbon dioxide from your body. Repeat this cycle for 4 complete breaths, focusing your attention on the rhythm of your breath and the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen. This focus helps to center your mind and bring you into the present moment. With practice, you can gradually increase the duration of each phase, tailoring the technique to your comfort level. Remember, the goal is to find a rhythm that feels natural and soothing for you. Section 4. Proof in the Puff studies show deep breathing delivers on its promises. While the calming effects of deep breathing have been recognized for centuries, modern science is now catching up, providing compelling evidence to support its numerous benefits. Studies have shown that regular deep breathing practices can lead to significant reductions in stress hormones like cortisol. Elevated cortisol levels, often associated with chronic stress, can contribute to a wide range of health problems, including weight gain, sleep disturbances, and weakened immunity. By lowering cortisol levels, deep breathing not only promotes relaxation, but also protects your body from the damaging effects of chronic stress. Furthermore, research has demonstrated that deep breathing can have a positive impact on cardiovascular health by reducing blood pressure and improving heart rate variability, or HRV. HRV, a measure of the variation in time between heartbeats, is considered a key indicator of your body's ability to adapt to stress and recover effectively. Improved HRV is linked to better emotional regulation, enhanced cognitive function, and a reduced risk of heart disease. By incorporating deep breathing into your daily routine, you're essentially giving your heart and nervous system a powerful tune-up, promoting resilience and overall well-being. Section 5. Beyond relaxation. Deep breathing sharpens your mind and boosts your mood. The benefits of deep breathing extend far beyond stress reduction. Studies have shown that it can also enhance cognitive function, improve focus, and boost mood. When we're stressed, our brains enter a state of fight or flight, diverting resources away from higher-order thinking and problem-solving. Deep breathing helps to calm the stress response, allowing your brain to reallocate those resources to areas like attention, memory, and decision-making. By promoting a state of mental clarity, deep breathing can help you navigate challenging situations with greater ease and make sounder judgments. Moreover, deep breathing triggers the release of endorphins, your body's natural mood boosters. These feel-good chemicals have powerful pain-relieving and mood-elevating effects, leaving you feeling happier, more relaxed, and better equipped to handle whatever life throws your way. Whether you're facing a high-pressure deadline at work, struggling to manage a busy schedule, or simply seeking a moment of peace amidst the chaos of daily life, deep breathing can provide the mental and emotional support you need to thrive. Section 6. Breathe your way to a better you. Making deep breathing a daily ritual. In a world that often feels like it's moving at warp speed, deep breathing offers us a simple yet profound way to reclaim our inner peace and enhance our overall well-being. It's a practice that can be done anywhere, anytime, and by anyone, regardless of age or fitness level. It's a free, accessible, and remarkably effective tool that can transform the way we experience stress, improve our physical health, and enhance our cognitive function. Deep breathing can lower blood pressure, reduce anxiety, and even boost our immune system. The key to unlocking the full potential of deep breathing lies in making it a consistent practice. Just like any other habit, the more regularly you do it, the more benefits you'll reap. Start by incorporating a few minutes of conscious breathing into your daily routine. It doesn't have to be a long session. Even 5 minutes can make a significant difference. You can practice first thing in the morning to set a calm tone for the day, helping you approach your tasks with a clear and focused mind. During your lunch break to de-stress and refocus, giving you a much-needed mental reset to tackle the rest of your day with renewed energy. Or before bed to promote restful sleep, helping you unwind and prepare your body and mind for a night of rejuvenating rest. As you become more comfortable, you can gradually increase the duration of your breathing sessions. Start with 5 minutes and slowly work your way up to 10 or even 20 minutes. Experiment with different techniques, such as the 4-7-8 method, box breathing, or diaphragmatic breathing. Each technique offers unique benefits and can be tailored to fit your personal needs and preferences. Or alternate nostril breathing to find what works best for you. Remember, consistency is key. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel, and the more benefits you'll experience. Just like any skill, the more you practice deep breathing, the more natural and effortless it will become. Over time, it will become an integral part of your daily routine, something you look forward to and rely on. Over time, you'll find yourself better equipped to navigate the inevitable ups and downs of life with greater ease, resilience, and a renewed sense of inner peace. You'll be able to handle stress more effectively and maintain a sense of calm even in challenging situations. So, take a deep breath and embark on a journey towards a calmer, more centered you. Embrace the power of deep breathing and let it transform your life, one breath at a time.